Hey there! If you want to create a subdomain and set up WordPress and Cpanel, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through the easiest way to get your site up and running, even if you're a total beginner. First, log into your Cpanel account. You can usually get there by typing your domain name followed by /cpanel, like yourdomain.com/cpanel. Enter your login info and you're in. Now look for the domains section. It might be grouped under something like websites. Click on subdomains. Here's where the magic begins. Type the name you want for your subdomain, like blog or shop. Pick your main domain from the drop-down and let Cpanel suggest the document root. You can leave it as is. Hit create. You'll see a message confirming your new subdomain is ready. Head back to the main Cpanel dashboard by clicking the logo or home. Now scroll until you find Softaculous Apps Installer or just WordPress. Click on the WordPress icon. Time to set things up. Choose your protocol. I recommend HTTPS if you have SSL, otherwise stick with HTTP. Select your shiny new subdomain from the drop-down. Leave the indirectory field blank unless you want WordPress in a folder. Fill out your site name and description. For admin, pick a unique username. Don't use admin. A strong password, and your email. You can leave most advanced options and plugins as they are for now. Double-check your details, then hit install. Give it a minute. Once it's done, you'll see links to your new subdomain and your WordPress admin dashboard. Click the admin link, log in, and you're ready to start building your site. That's it. Setting up a subdomain and WordPress in Cpanel really is that simple.